Hi everyone, here's PotatoRice. Welcome to my channel. I've been growing my own vegetables with a group. It's been 1 week since my last visit. Let's see how the garden is doing. Since 2 weeks, we had stopped planting the vegetables for consumption purposes. To improve the quality of the soil at the same time, we have started to plant green manure, groenbemesters in Dutch, on empty beds. Green manure are the category of plants that can be tilled into the soil to improve soil fertility. We have planted winterrogge, winterrogge, and vetch, wikke in Dutch. You can see winterrogge on this half bed next to the spinach. You can see the vetch that are sprouting on the 2 beds here. Now let's come to the other plants. First, look at the tomatoes. They already had their peak as the temperature is now dropping. Brussel sprouts are doing great. They're growing really large. You can harvest a little bit
Vorig
today.
jaar was het echt pas eind oktober dat we de eerste konden oogsten.
Are we still going to have some zucchini despite entering the autumn already? The parsley are booming. Kohlrabi are doing well. The big ones can already be harvested. Here are the basils that we moved from another location. Glad that they're all doing well. Look at the soybeans. They're turning yellow. They must be ready for harvest. I long for them. Rocula is finally sprouting, as it wasn't last week. We begin today with some lessons. A garden cannot complete its circle without compost. Today, we learned more about compost, in particular the mango method. Mango, M-A-N-G-O. M means mengen in Dutch, mixing. Mixing green leaves for nitrogen and wood for carbon. A means afdekken in Dutch, covering in English. It means that your compost pile need to retain heat and moisture. To reach that, you need to cover your compost. N means nathouder, keeping it wet. You need to ensure the pile has the right moisture level. G means groot hoop, a large pile, building a sufficiently large pile to generate heat. O means omzetten, turning, actively turning the pile to incorporate air and speed up decomposition. Depending how active you are doing this, the processing time varies. In our case, it took 2 years from this to this. The final result had a small ecosystem. You may see here a tot, for example, and these white things, these are snails' eggs.
Dus je ziet dat het afgedekt, dat er ook geen erosie plaatsvindt.
After the compost, we also learned about the most common disease that the tomato can get. It is called blight, a fungus infection. This disease appears as dark water-soaked spots on leaves and stems that quickly spread. And it also causes brown, shriveled, bubbly patches on fruit. It thrives in moist, humid, and cool conditions, spreading via spores carried by water or wind. Our tomatoes also got this now, as you may see the black dots on the tomatoes. Luckily, our tomato is one type that can resist this kind of disease pretty well, and even if they get it right now, like this, we can still eat them. After inspecting the tomatoes, we started our gardening. We have weeding as the main task of the day. We also clean some leaves of the tomatoes. At this season, it is hard for the rest of them to ripe. Besides, they're starting to get sick because of cold, humid weather, so we need to better get rid of the leaves. At last, we moved this sage from the bed behind the Jerusalem antichoke to the bed next to the corn.
Veel bloemen, het is meerjarig. Dus
Now it is harvest time. We harvested a lot. For example, the soybeans. which I've been longing for. We also harvested the green beans, kale, Swiss chard, tomatoes, leek, carrots. Oh, yeah. This one. Black spinach radish, pumpkins, and more. I have a full bag of vegetables. Thank you for watching. See you next time.